It's 8 o'clock. Just getting into Plummerville on our way to Little Rock. Ashley's not feeling good at all, but I needed her to come. We had a long night last night too on top of it. Bad part about having cancer. But we were making our way over there. Truck's full of fuel. I got water in my jug to be able to wash hands with. Got Ashley here to help run around and get things. We are making our way over to help clear paths and move trees, and I don't think we're going to be searching for victims, to be honest with you. It's not really something they're going to have contractors do, but just help with cleanup and damage and all that stuff. I even brought my metal detector just in case we might need something like that. So today is going to be interesting. I don't plan on videoing a whole lot, but I'm going to try and get as much as I can. See how the day progresses, to say the least. See if she starts feeling a little bit better. But today is going to be a long day, and I already know it, and neither one of us got very much sleep. So we'll see how this goes. 8:45. Just got back to Russellville. Actually was able to take a whole bunch of video today that you guys just watched. I haven't seen it yet. I'm gonna see it in the edit. And I haven't gotten a chance to do much of anything other than run around like crazy and get these trees pulled off of houses and stuff. Actually, she's tired too. And I'm quite over being local and working for a dirt company. I very much want to go back to trucking and might end up doing that sooner than this company gets their heavy haul truck. So we'll just see how that whole thing goes. But for now, they wanted me to go back out there tomorrow, and I don't see much of a point in doing that. I don't make any more money or anything like that. I'd just kind of be going out there for free. So I might as well just take a day off and do my stuff and try and enjoy doing something tomorrow. So I'm sure all next week we're going to be driving back and forth to Little Rock to do cleanup and probably demolitions and stuff. I'm assuming this would be a couple weeks, couple months thing. Tornado did a lot of damage over a very wide area, so I'm more than certain we'll get quite a bit of work out of it. Naturally, big natural disasters like that, excavation companies tend to be the one doing cleanup and whatnot, so work out pretty good for the company. I don't particularly want to do it, but you work at a place and you just got to do what you're told. So for the next while, I'm sure that all that stuff will be going on. But for now, sun's just setting. My allergies have got me absolutely stuffed up as usual. So I'm not from here. I'm really just not used to pollen and the allergies and all that kind of stuff. So it's quite a bit of an adjustment period. But we're right around the corner from the truck stops. We're gonna make our trucking shorts. I drive around the truck stops and take videos that I like and post it onto our the YouTube channel here, but on the short side of things. It's been a really good thing for my channel to do that stuff, and I really enjoy doing it because I love trucking, and I've loved trucking my whole life. So we're right here at the Pilot, and then I'm not really hungry, but I'm sure we'll probably have to get something to eat. And, either way, see you guys tomorrow.